Welcome back to 3 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're rolling out idea number 21, and this one is perfect for tech enthusiasts, problem solvers, and anyone who loves helping businesses run smoother. We're talking about making money by offering tech stack recommendations with ChatGPT. Sounds fancy? Don't worry, no coding skills required. You're basically helping businesses pick the perfect set of tools to boost their workflow. And with ChatGPT, you can do this faster and better than ever. What's a tech stack? Think of a tech stack like a business's digital toolbox. It's the collection of software and apps a company uses to get things done. For example, a startup might need project management tools like Trello or Asana. An e-commerce store needs Shopify, payment gateways, and marketing tools. A content creator needs video editing, social media scheduling, and automation tools. Every business has different needs, and they don't have time to figure out the best tools themselves. That's where you come in. How ChatGPT helps you offer tech stack recommendations. You don't need to be a tech guru. ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting. Here's how you can use it. Gather client needs. Use prompts like, what's the best tech stack for a real estate business with a remote team? Compare tools quickly. Ask, compare ClickUp versus Monday.com for project management. Recommend custom solutions. Use ChatGPT to generate a personalized tech stack with pros, cons, and pricing. Explain why it's the best fit. ChatGPT can break down complex features into simple, easy-to-understand explanations. Who needs this service? The demand is huge. Startups looking for cost-effective and scalable tools. Small businesses that want to streamline operations. Freelancers and solopreneurs trying to optimize their workflow. Enterprise companies looking to upgrade outdated software. Where to offer your services. You can easily start selling your tech stack recommendations here. Freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. LinkedIn and business groups where startups seek advice. Tech consulting websites where companies pay for expert guidance. How much can you earn? Basic tech stack suggestions, $50 to $150 per project. In-depth research and comparison reports, $300+ per client. Ongoing consulting and implementation support, $500 to $1,000 or more. Why this works? Businesses are drowning in options when it comes to software. They don't have time to test every tool, so they'll gladly pay you to figure it out for them. With ChatGPT, you can research and recommend the best tech stacks in minutes, making this an easy and profitable service. If you're ready to help businesses find their perfect tech tools and get paid for it, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's one tech tool you can't live without? That's it for today's episode of 3 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep recommending, keep earning, and keep making businesses run smoother.